ASNT NDT Level 3 certification, eligibility, examination fees, and online preparatory classes by URGS. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. If you are planning to become an ASNT NDT Level 3 professional, this video will help you understand the qualification requirements, examination structure, examination fees, and how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited can support your preparation through our monthly 20-day online preparatory classes. Whether you are a level 2 technician looking to advance your career or an experienced NDT professional aiming for level 3 certification, this video will provide valuable information. What is ASNT Level 3 certification? ASNT Level 3 certification is one of the most recognized professional credentials in the non-destructive testing industry. A Level 3 professional is responsible for establishing techniques, interpreting codes and standards, supervising personnel, approving procedures, and ensuring compliance with quality requirements. ASNT Level 3 certification demonstrates advanced knowledge and leadership capabilities and is recognized globally across oil and gas, power generation, aerospace, manufacturing, petrochemical, and infrastructure industries. Minimum qualification requirements. Let us understand the eligibility requirements for ASNT Level 3 certification. Option 1, bachelor's degree. Candidates possessing a bachelor's degree or higher in engineering or science are required to have one additional year of NDT experience beyond level 2 requirements in the applicable method. Option 2, 2 years of engineering or science study. Individuals who have successfully completed at least 2 years of engineering or science studies at a university, college, or technical school need 2 additional years of experience beyond level 2 requirements. Option 3, experience-based qualification. Candidates without academic qualifications may qualify through 4 years of additional NDT experience beyond level 2 requirements. The required experience should be comparable to assignments performed by an NDT level 2 professional. Experience as a certified level 2 technician may partially satisfy these requirements according to the employer's written practice. ASNT Level 3 examination structure. The ASNT Level 3 certification examination consists of first basic examination, second method examination. The basic examination evaluates materials and processes, NDT methods, qualification and certification, quality assurance, ASNT recommended practice, SNT TC1A, codes and standards. Method examinations evaluate technical knowledge for specific NDT methods. ASNT Level 3 examination fees. Please note that examination fees are paid directly to ASNT. Basic examination. The basic examination fee is USD 540. Method examination fees. Acoustic emission testing USD 540. Electromagnetic testing USD 540. Infrared/thermal testing USD 520, leak testing USD 540, magnetic flux leak testing USD 520, magnetic particle testing 520 USD, liquid penetrant testing 520 USD, radiographic testing 540 USD, ultrasonic testing 540 USD, visual testing 520 USD. These fees are subject to ASNT revisions and should always be verified with ASNT before registration. Now, why do professionals choose ASNT Level 3? Because Level 3 certification provides international recognition, higher career opportunities, leadership roles, better compensation, technical authority, opportunities in inspection agencies and manufacturing industries. Qualification to act as responsible Level 3. Now, challenges faced by candidates. Many professionals have practical experience but face difficulties in understanding the basic examination syllabus, remembering materials and processes, interpreting codes and standards, solving multiple choice questions, managing examination time, preparing while balancing work commitments. This is where proper guidance becomes extremely important. Now, how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports you. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited conducts comprehensive ASNT Level 3 basic refresher and preparatory courses online. Our training programs are designed by experienced professionals to provide structured and practical guidance. Now, features of our program. Let us see this. Live interactive online classes, 20 days training every month, expert faculty support, concept-based learning, questions, discussions, revision sessions, examination-oriented approach, flexible learning for working professionals, guidance on ASNT Level 3 responsibilities, support for basic UT, RT, PT, MT, VT and other methods, monthly batch schedule, new batches start every month, training duration 20 days, online live classes through Zoom or MS Team, designed specifically for working professionals around the world. Participants can attend from India, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa and other regions. Now our July 2026 ASNT Level 3 Basic Refresher course. Our July batch is especially planned for professionals preparing for upcoming ASNT examinations. The course focuses on materials and processes, quality assurance, qualification and certification, codes and standards, general entity knowledge, problem solving and discussions, revision sessions, confidence building. Who should attend this program? NDT Level 2 professionals, experienced inspectors, quality engineers, QA/QC personnel, manufacturing professionals, oil and gas industry personnel, power plant professionals, anyone aspiring to become an ASNT Level 3 certified. Anyone aspiring to become ASNT Level 3. Now final thoughts. ASNT Level 3 certification is an investment in your professional future. Proper preparation, expert guidance and systematic learning significantly increase your chances of success. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, our mission is to help NDT professionals enhance technical competence, improve confidence and achieve successful ASNT Level 3 certification. If you are planning to appear for ASNT Level 3 examination, we invite you to join our monthly 20-day online preparatory classes. Thank you for watching. For admissions and course details, please contact us. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 735945 8455. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on ASNT Level 3 training, NDT certification, inspection technologies and professional development. Stay competent, stay confident, stay ahead. Thank you.